A very simple and classic pasta recipe. Lalagyan natin ng post-holiday twist ang ating classic garlic and oil. Gagawa tayo ng Aglio Olio with Hamon plus Quezo de Bola. Let's start cooking. So this is one of the simplest pasta recipes you can make. Spaghetti lang siya, garlic, and oil. All the rest are optional, no? And we will start off by cooking our pasta. So pasta water, boiling. Water pa lang siya kasi wala pa siyang pasta. Salt. Dapat medyo generous tayo ng salt. Yan, around 2 teaspoons. Basta dapat, pag nagluluto ka ng pasta, any kind of pasta, when you taste the water, maalat-alat siya because you want to flavor the noodles. Diba? Bago kakapit yung alat sa inyong noodles, dapat maalat din yung water mo. No? Enough water to give it that saltiness. So, ito. And let's start with our pasta, no? Our sauce. Very simple, oil-based sauce. So, we're just slicing our garlic, no? So, you can have around 6 to 8 or even 10 cloves of garlic. It's up to you. Some people like it very garlicky, no? And we just have some chili flakes. Just heat up our pan. And we're adding olive oil. Good quality olive oil. Add liter. Medyo madami. Of course, medyo madami siya dahil it's an oil-based pasta recipe. Garlic and oil. Alright, garlic. I have more garlic here. So, ito siya. We add the garlic bago para uminit yung ating oil because we want to infuse the garlic flavor and we don't want to toast or burn our garlic. Move it around. I also added my chili flakes. Very classic. Some people would add anchovies here. Yan. And what I will do, I will also prepare my hamon. Ito, hamon. Tira ng Pasko. Dice ko lang siya. Not too much, just enough. Very, very Christmassy. Ito, sometimes yung ating hamon may glaze, di ba? Manamis-namis sa sauce. Kailangan mo siyang i-remove, ha? Medyo banlawan mo ng konti. If ever, meron tayong glaze itong ating hamon kasi ayaw natin tumamis yung ating pasta. Hinay-hinay lang sa heat natin. We want to cook our garlic hanggang medyo mag-start siya maging golden on the side pero hindi siya toasted. Bilis, bilis, bilis. And we'll add our hamon immediately. Infuse all the flavors together. Hinay-hinay lang, no, yung luto natin to infuse all the flavors into our oil. You can even add a bit of lemon zest, no, to brighten up the flavors. I will also use some lemon zest and a little bit of juice as well, no. And what we do now, before we strain our pasta or remove our pasta, kukuha muna tayo ng around half a cups of pasta water or a little bit more. Ayan, no? Little bit more. And remember, may alat na yung ating tubig, ha? So, be careful not to add too much salt. So, ito ang pasta is not yet fully cooked. Pero, it's good enough. Malambot na siya. And what will happen is that I will cook it completely dito na sa aking oil with my pasta water. Look at that, ha? Kasi pag hinantay ko siya maging al dente dito sa aking pot, and I will cook it again, magiging mushy na yung aking pasta. So ito, it will finish cooking here. Look at that, no? So we will continue to cook our pasta here in our pasta water and oil, fresh parsley, and if you want to add black pepper, let's add a bit of black pepper. Yan. And ginagawa mo dito, di ba it's an oil-based sauce and meron tayong pasta water. You mix it or you toss it para mag-emulsify. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Para maging creamy pa rin yung dating ng ating sauce kahit wala siyang cream or wala siyang tomatoes, no? So, yun ang mangyayari, no? It will emulsify the fat and the starch from the pasta will emulsify to thicken it a little bit, no? So, hindi siya yung oil na oil talaga yung dating ng ating sauce. Look at that, no? Nag-emulsify siya ng konti. Continue to cook until our pasta becomes al dente, no? Or right to the bite. Season very lightly kasi may alat na yung ating pasta water. Just a little bit of salt. And remember, dagdagan pa natin ito ng cheese. Look at that, oh. You will notice, tilipin mo sa gilid, oh. Medyo nagiging creamy and emulsified yung ating sauce. Look at that. No? Hindi siya oil and water separated, pero nagiging like a sauce. Mix natin. Continue to mix. This one will be done in a minute or two. Yan. And let's get ready with our plate. You can add a little bit of queso de bola to the mix as well. Let's grate some queso de bola. Add some cheese. Not too much, because we're still adding more as topping. Now, it's perfectly cooked yung ating pasta. There's a bit of creaminess kasi nag-emulsify yung ating olive oil with our pasta water. Now, we add a bit of lemon just to brighten up the flavor, but still very clean. Serve this with a simple salad, roast chicken on the side. O, diba? Parang holidays pa rin. For ito lang, pwede na. No, don't cut your noodles, no? So, when you're making pasta, wag ganun na. Wag mong putol-putulin. And we're ready. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Our pasta. Very nice, no? Very simple. Look at that, no? Kumakapit yung ating sauce. Kumakapit yung ating oil base. Some cheese. Queso de bola. Then, over that, we add our pieces of hamon. Very simple. No? A quick dinner or lunch for you and your family. And finish with fresh parsley. Yan! Ating dish, sobrang bilis. Ako, kakain na ako. Kayo. Di ba? So easy to do. In less than 20 minutes, you have a very nice meal. Making use of your leftovers. But, eto na. Let's see if it works. I like cooking the pasta this way kasi alam mo yung bite, al dente, sobrang perfect ng pagkaluto. Ito na ating post-holiday recipe, ating aglio olio with hamon and queso de bola. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!